Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the sync contacts feature on Instagram. The process is very straightforward and simple. It's just a few settings, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to open up Instagram. You'll be on the home page when you do that. So then you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner to go to your profile. Once you have done that, you want to tap on these three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. And then you want to tap on the top option, which is settings. From the settings page, we're looking for the option that says account, which is right there in the middle. So I'll tap on account, and now you have all these different options, but the one that you're looking for is contacts syncing right over there. So I'll tap on contact syncing, and you can see for me it is already off, but for you it'll be on and toggled to the right. So what this is to help people connect on Instagram. Your contacts are periodically synced and stored on our servers. So if you don't want any of that, just make sure it looks like mine, turned off and toggled off to the left, and then that's all you need to do. Your contacts will not be synced on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.